Verification fail. Could not communicate with the server. Let me show you how to fix this iCloud sign-in error with just one step. Hi. Welcome to Tech Tools. Today's video is for iPhone users. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe, like and leave a comment with thanks below because this video is your final search stop. I see most of this channels using the network settings reset options. To do that, open the settings app, General. Scroll below to the option that says Reset and click on it. Resetting the network settings might not work for you, so watch my own method after this and let me know in comment section if it works. Click on Reset Network Settings, input your phone passcode, and your network settings will reset. If that doesn't work for you as well, watch the method I discovered to fix that error. Open the App Store app. Please, I want you to hit the subscribe button below this video. This will encourage us to make more good contents like this. It was taking long, so I had to add speed to clip while I was editing. You can see here I already have the TikTok app installed. I did the TikTok installation after when I was able to use the method I'm showing here to log in the iCloud. So keep watching and do not skip a part. Now, try installing any application. Here I'll be using the Telegram app, so let me search for Telegram. Here is the Telegram application. Next, click on Get. Depending on your internet speed, this will take seconds to load. So, I had to add speed to my clip. When you get to this section, you should select the first option that says Use existing Apple ID. Note, you need to have the ID before sign in. If you don't have one, click the Join button below. I can assist you get one. Here now, input your Apple ID information and click on OK. Please subscribe. This will encourage us to make more videos like this one. After entering your iCloud information, click on the OK button. Next, wait for a few minutes. In my case, let me add speed to clip. When this pops up, click on the Install button. Here, you're required to put the same password you used before. After entering your password, click on the Sign In button next. This might take a couple of time, depending on your network speed. You just have to be patient. I had to add speed to clip, so I don't take too much of your time. If you don't have an iCloud account, join our community by clicking Join button below. You can as well join our WhatsApp group. Link is in first pinned comment. Apple ID login successful. Now, go back to your phone settings and check. You can see it's fixed. iCloud sign-in error fixed. If this is helpful, you should subscribe and comment thanks below comment section. I'll be making a video on this, how you can upgrade to iOS 15 so you can use most of these apps. So subscribe, turn on the bell icon and comment thanks below. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video.